Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video send out to some students who, for whatever reason, uh, work is coming in. I'm not seeing work come in, and that's a little bit of a concern for me. So first of all, I want to preface this that I realize that everyone's situation is a little bit different. This is not meant to be a video or something that penalizes you or chastises you, saying shame on you. I want to try to get you back into the fold and get you working forward. So first of all, what I would say is if you've gotten yourself a little bit behind, if there's a lot of reds and Aries, I think sometimes students see those and go, oh, what's the point at this point? It's too late. Nothing could be further from the truth. So if you do have a lot of reds and Aries, that's okay. Maybe what we want to do then is let's forget about some of those reds. And a good place to start would be yesterday's post, where right now we're still working on individual units. So you might review that unit, and then do a couple of positive physics problems, and then give me a Flipgrid reflection. Don't worry about momentum and energy and kinematics and forces if those are undone. Something is better than nothing, right? Second thing I want to put it on ease is grades. No one is going to fail AP Physics. Everyone prior to this COVID thing was doing pretty well in the class. So I'm not going to just say all your knowledge at the end of this semester is based on what we did with COVID. The worst you can do with our grading policy for this year is a C-. But I know every single one of you can show me better than C- level, even during this COVID stuff. So again, something's better than nothing moving forward. Second thing is, I haven't seen responses from you on Flipgrid. I love Flipgrid, and I think some of the other students do as well. You send me a real quick video interpretation of what's going on with your learning. I send you one back. It's kind of the next best thing to being in real class. So I've really been enjoying interacting with students with Flipgrid. And then the last thing is today on the Google Classroom, I set up a recurring Google Meet every day from 3 to 4, which are my office hours. And I'm sitting around usually doing nothing during that time. Not a whole lot of people show up. I would love to help you during those times. And I'm okay, and I really do want to help you, even with late work. So don't feel like this was assigned a couple days ago. He's going to be mad if I'm asking him about it now. Nothing could be further from the case. I just want to get people learning physics and moving forward. Right? If you have any questions, if you need some help, if you need a concrete place, I'm behind, where can I start to pick up without having to do everything that's in there? Stop by those office hours. Give me an email. Let's get you back on track. All right, guys? Okay.